Pin sa inyo. Ay, di kayo eligible kasi ganito, ganyan. Ay, baka kasi namin si Lich yun, ban kayo. Buti na lang, di kami nag-grind. Ilang beses lang kami nag-grind.
Sufficient balance. Loadout drone available. Teardrop op completed. Reward granted. Bonus target activated. Track down and eliminate previous
Kaya ako
targets.
talaga, umaasa na lang ako magkaroon ng ano yan.
Bought the grid overload. Excited, you're still probably gonna die.
Target cyber arm detached.
Smile on you, pathetic.
Piso yan, piso yan. Ayun.
Discount.
Tinamaan nga ng piso. LT.
Let's check this area out.
Nasaan na yun? Wala. Ay, lumayo. Nahabol ko tong
Listen up,
nahan.
assholes. In a couple of seconds, we're gonna have an electronic Armageddon unlike anything you have ever seen in your miserable fucking life.
Uy, easy ka lang, boarding ko.
Zero's the grid overload zone's approaching.
All objectives completed. Bonus reward granted.
What a brave little buzz. Enemy is extracting the hex in Little Kiev.
Teardrop op initiated. Track down and eliminate hostile zero. Target proximity area is marked on your map.
Error. Check the valve. Recalibrate power source.
Health metric increasing. This was the last in their squad.
Ano? Extra ka pa.
Attention all you
Kasama niya yan, di ba?
your loot crates are resupplied.
Naubos na sila. Nag-extract pa kasi sa labas ng zone eh. Hindi na pwede yan. Ikaw i-extract ko eh. Glide. Gliders. Ayun o. Nakakit dito yan.
Teardrop op completed. Reward granted. Bonus target activated. Track down and
Ayun.
eliminate previous targets out.
Sinaksak.
Let's go there.
Nandyan?
The grid
Wala
is
na.
about to have a
Wala na.
meltdown worse than Fukushima on steroids.
Wala man lang halos kill nitong round na to ah.
Catch your breath. Shoot somebody in the face. The grid overload zone is on.
Payat ah.
Don't Uncle Scrooge your dead teammate. He's already suffering enough. Bring him back to life. Now at a discounted price. Attention, the grid is overloading. Move your skinny asses and don't look back
Uy.
unless you want to.
Sabi naman si Idol. Aray ko. Uy. Aray ka naman, Dol. Papakita ang gilas. Papakita ang gilas BGMI eh. Ano na? No card. Hindi kasi nga kumbaga shinortcut mo lang yung converter. Uy, ang sarap mo naman. Ang Tolomi AI 1.3M agad. Ano yan? Ay, na ilang beses ako muntikang pumasok sa ganito eh. Tapos nung pumasok ako, nanalo ako. Kaso, nag-dump. Buti na lang. Pasok ako hapon. Mahirap ma-timingan ng ganitong AI na lumilipat. Sa mapasokan ko, nagdadap. Ano, mapag-download nga yan. Ano yan? Ano ang download yan, bro? Hindi. Ano na? Nox player. Nox player gamit ko rin dati na ano eh. Hindi malag.